The countdown has begun. Samsung is gearing up to launch its much-awaited Galaxy Z Fold 7, the brand's next book-style foldable smartphone, at its Galaxy Unpacked event next month. After weeks of leaks and rumors, the latest confirmation has finally arrived, and it's straight from the top. According to a certification from the U.S. Federal Communications Commission (FCC), a new Samsung device bearing model number SM/F966B has passed regulatory approval. Following Samsung's naming convention, this is believed to be the international model of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, suggesting that the launch is not only imminent, but also very real. Gear's Snapdragon 8 Elite confirmed for power and performance. The FCC listing reveals something tech enthusiasts were hoping for. The Snapdragon 8 Elite SM8750 chipset will be powering the Fold 7. This flagship-level processor from Qualcomm promises next-gen performance, improved AI capabilities, and superior thermal management, all vital for a premium foldable. With this move, Samsung is positioning the Z Fold 7 not just as a foldable gadget, but as a power-packed productivity tool for those who demand high performance on the go. Satellite antenna connectivity and charging, what the FCC certification confirms. The certification also confirms several high-end connectivity and power features. 5G support for lightning-fast mobile connectivity. Wi-Fi 7 compatibility for low-latency, high-speed wireless connections. Ultra-wideband (UWB) support for precision tracking and smart features. Wireless charging for effortless power-ups. Wireless power sharing, allowing you to charge other devices from the Fold 7's back panel. While these features were widely rumored, the official certification validates them, moving the Z Fold 7 one step closer to consumer hands. Desktop computer, leaked specs give a glimpse into the future. Although the FCC listing doesn't reveal the full spec sheet, trusted leaks and insider sources have already pieced together a compelling preview of what to expect. Main display, 8.2-inch foldable AMOLED, 120Hz refresh rate. Cover display, 6.5-inch FHD Plus AMOLED, also 120Hz. Rear cameras, triple setup. 200MP main sensor with wide lens. 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens. 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Front cameras. 10MP selfie cam on the outer display. 4MP under-display camera inside the fold. Battery, 4,400 mAh with fast wired and wireless charging. Software, Android 16 paired with Samsung's One UI 8.0, delivering the latest software features out of the box. If accurate, this makes the Galaxy Z Fold 7 one of the most feature-rich foldables ever made, seamlessly blending innovation, photography, and multitasking. Hourglass not done, all signs point to an imminent launch. The FCC certification typically appears just before the commercial launch of a new device. Combine that with the steady stream of leaks, and it's safe to say that Samsung is nearly ready to pull back the curtain on the Z Fold 7. If previous release patterns hold, the Galaxy Unpacked event in July will be the stage where Samsung reveals not just the Fold 7, but potentially new accessories, tablets, and more. Crystal ball final thoughts. With Snapdragon 8 Elite power, cutting-edge connectivity, and a refined foldable experience, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be a true flagship for 2025. Whether you're a multitasking professional, a mobile gamer, or someone who just loves stunning design, this device seems ready to impress on all fronts.